this is how many we have to do this month. There's probably 30 sitting here in the shop total. There's some more scattered around, but anyways, this is what they look like before when the torque converter goes apart in them. You can see where they're wore. And then this is what one looks like whenever we get done with it. Bring the camera over here with you, Landon. So being that we turn them on a lathe, they have a little bit better finish, I believe, than they do from GM. There's no swirls in them from a milling cutter spinning around and then coming over here to the middle and coming up. But anyways, we're gonna go over the lathe and show you the process. So this is the fixture that I made to do these on. Like I say, we don't do them on a milling machine, we do them in a lathe. So these are the, this was your engine block. If you imagine this is the back of your engine, this is where your dowel pins would go for aligning the transmission to the motor. So we use that same alignment method. And when I made this thing, I put 2 of them with bronze inserts, and then one set of them with 1 bronze insert and just aluminum, so that I would know which one's the first operation, which one's the second operation, because there is a concentricity difference between the 2. So those go in there for the first one, and you will see quite a bit of run out on this first operation. We've got our fixture wiped down real good. We got our dowel pins in. Now it's time to bolt it to the fixture. Turn the rotary phase on so we can actually power this machine. On this first operation, like I say, the torque converter hub, when it comes through this bushing, this will be running out quite a bit, but it's because this pocket here is eccentric to this pocket. Now we're going to come in here, give her a little squirt with the water displacement 40. That face and that face. Wrap it on in. Barely touch off. Number 25-441. Set up. We do like that. Now we're in the open space. We're going to go past it, and we're going to come back out to our 0, so that our bed is going in one direction. So we'll go in, come out, do that first face, and come out forward. Now we're going to get up in this corner, we undercut it a little bit so that the slide isn't held up by what's left by the tool nose radius in that corner. 145 3-inch base depth mic. Now we've made it out of the cut, we'll stop it. We're going to blow off the shavings. Take a little wipe right there, make sure there's nothing in that surface that's going to give us an error in our reading. Make sure our base of our depth micrometer is cleaned off real good. And take a measurement. 709 thousandths and 5/10 thousandths. That's right on the money, what we were shooting for. I don't know if you can see that in the video. Now, take it on the fixture and flip it 180. So we'll come over here, switch over to our other tool. We're using PCD inserts for this aluminum, which leaves a really good finish. Base of our fixture is good and clean. We're going to blow off the bell. And we're going to put our pins in both of the holes that have a bronze bushing in them. That's the second operation. And I don't know if you noticed it, but on the first operation, that hole was running out right here real bad. On this operation, it's going to be running true. And for this operation, we'll have to touch this face, make a skim cut, and then bring it in to the 12 millimeters from here to here. We're running at 685 RPMs too, by the way, which is getting it pretty good. Here we go, second operation. Also, when we make this first cut, we're going to measure, make sure our perpendicularity is right between the faces. Perpendicular, parallel even. 472.5 is what we're looking for. We're at 468.5 there. We're going to rotate 468.5. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4.5 thousandths to go. Make sure we know that those faces are parallel with each other. And there it is. 472.5. I'll let you take a look at the finished product real quick. there it is. Like and subscribe if you like what you've seen today. Thanks for watching, and have a good day.